you hear that?
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Braton Studio. Today I'm going to show you an amazing AI tool called Grok. So I'm going to show you how I created the first video you see on this screen of this tutorial. I'm going to show you how I did it, how I created it. So before I go, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Click on notification button so that whenever I drop another video, you're going to notify immediately. And don't forget to like and drop your comment of how you feel about the video. If you want to ask any question, drop it on the comment section. I'll be there to answer. So let's get started. So this AI tools called Grok is an AI tool that can generate image and video from text, even from photo, image. Instead of recording, scan yourself, you just describe what you want, and this AI tool will create it for you. So before we get started, we like to generate a prompt for our video we want to create it. So I'll paste the prompt will create the video we want to generate. So we describe it and we paste it in our this imagine here. We paste it here. So this we are going to create our video this place. So now go back to the chat and let's paste the prompt. So here now, if you need the prompt, if you need the prompt, it will be in the description of this video. So just go, if you need to go and copy it. So create a 30-second action short story featuring exactly 2 minutes after to maintain strong visual continuity. So that is it. So I'll paste the second prompt here. So here is it. It's already created. This is the prompt you're going to use for our video. So now let's be pasting it one by one. Copy this number one. So now here is it. Copy it and go to the imagine here and paste it here. No, before you paste it, make sure you choose video, choose 480p resolution and choose 6 seconds and make sure the aspect ratio should be 16:9. So now paste it here and send. So now let's wait for you to generate our video. Yes, just create it immediately. This is our video. You see? So now let's continue. Let's paste the scan number 2. But before you do that, make sure you click on these 3 dots and click on extend video. So it will continue. So now paste the second scan sharp. So now click on send. So now I wait for you to create our video. It's already generated the video. Yes. So it has already generated the second video.
Did you hear that?
See? So now let's paste the second scan. So click on this dot sign.
Did you hear that?
Click on extend video and paste the code and click on send. So it's already generated the third video. So let's wait for it finish. So now let's watch this.
Did you hear that?
So let's create this third one. Click on this, the fourth one. Click on extend video and paste the third screen. Click on send. It's already generated the fourth video. So let's watch.
Did you hear that?
Hear that? See? So now let's create the last one with the 50th video. Click on extend and paste your prompt. Click on send. So let's wait for it to generate it. It has already finished generating this. So let's see. So on the video we are getting here is 30 seconds video. And you see
Did you hear that?
Seconds video. So let's see. This see amazing. So you see, that is it. So what you need to do now, you are going to download your video here. Hit the download button, download it here. You can redo your video, share it on Twitter, share the link of your video to any of your friends. And also this is where you see all the video you have created. This place, so these are the video I have created. So that is for today. So I'll be dropping the full video, or if you want me to drop the full video, just comment. So I'll create the full video of it, did it. That is it. So I'll be dropping the full video in my next video in the channel. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, drop a comment, like, so click on the notification button so that you're going to notify whenever I drop the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.